guys, welcome back. It's Jyoti with
And Shruti, what's up, Joe? How are
What's
you
up, what's up, what's up?
doing? What's
कैसे
up?
मनाया है इनको वापस आने के लिए?
कैसे मनाए? हेलो, मनाने की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. हाँ, you said, अरे, shall we? It's been a while. I was like, let's, come on.
You're a liar,
New Year
man.
भी आ रहा है.
She's been busy.
What?
You've been so busy traveling and doing things like,
That's true.
yeah, there was no
That's
time.
true.
But
हाँ,
आ गई है वापस before the year ends.
here
I
we
was like,
are.
how can we
Here
end the
we are.
year without another sesh, है ना?
ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे नहीं. हाँ,
है ना?
ऐसे ऐसे.
And now
Yeah.
तो holiday season is starting, so
हो गया
yeah,
मेरा हॉलिडे सीजन.
इस सेशन
मेरी
के
जो
बाद
टिकट थी वो मैंने सब कैंसिल कर दी हैं. अब मेरा कोई हॉलिडे सीजन नहीं है. मुझे जितनी छुट्टी मारनी थी, इधर उधर भागना था, वो कर लिया मैंने सब कुछ. अब मैं इधर ही हूँ.
I'm still
अब मैं
telling
कहीं
you, come
परफॉर्म
to
करने.
Delhi. Come to Delhi, we'll go.
प्लीज, मैं अभी नॉर्थ की विंटर सह के आई हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी वेयर आई एम. आई हैव नो इंटेंशन ऑफ गोइंग एनीवेयर कोल्ड इन दिस सीजन एनीमोर.
What the hell?
Unless it's proper winter, like I mean like not ठंडी, I mean like snowfall
Oh
and that
God.
level. तब मैं जाऊंगी, नहीं तो मैं नहीं निकल रही यहाँ से. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
मैं तो
मतलब
जा
जहाँ
रही
पे
हूँ
हूँ मैं.
दिल्ली. I'll be in
I
Delhi.
know
Delhi.
it is gonna be so fun
Delhi.
for you.
Shit, dude.
हाँ,
Winter after 2 years.
Delhi is good. Just
हाँ,
enjoy.
I will. Guys, if
Yeah.
you're in Delhi, say hi.
Don't meet her. Don't see her. Let her enjoy. Let her take a break.
Yeah, I'm actually, so there might be days where I don't upload a video, just letting you all know, because इस session के
हाँ,
बाद no more recording till I come back. I
correct.
need the break.
But
चलो.
feel free to go on Instagram and irritate her anyway. Be like, दीदी आज वीडियो क्यों नहीं डाला? Just go like that. Jojo, put video no.
Oh
Just
my
like do
God.
that.
कैसे मनाए Arpit Bala? He's really coming into his own as a very versatile artist. And uska last song I covered, and it was very, very beautiful. And a lot of his other features also. But now he's dropped an album. That album I'll get to post holidays. But ये
अच्छा,
वाला
हाँ,
video or single I thought I'll cover with you because I haven't yet gotten to it. ठीक है, it's called
good.
कैसे मनाए,
Yes.
and Man Borua Studios, Sorted Scene, other production houses. Directors
हाँ,
Man and Tushar Ronak. We've got where is the audio credits? Adil and Karan Kanchan and AOD on the music. So very nice. Guitar, piano,
cool.
synth. Okay, we'll go over that later. Written and performed by Arpit Bala. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
कुछ झूठे से बातों से तुमको नहला दूं अभी के अभी, फिर चाबी दबा के उस ठंडे से फर्श पे मैं महकूं कहीं. हाँ, कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों ऐसे रहना, कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना. उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे चुपके से आना जाना, पैरों के पेच दबो के. उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे चुपके से आना जाना, पैरों के पेच दबो के. रुक जाते तो का ठिकाना, हम दो बस और बहाने, वो कल का आना जाना, तो कल से नजर छुपाते. I know मुझे कल का पता नहीं, मेरा होना कहाँ या फिर रुकना वहाँ भी हूँ. चुप सा नहीं, कहना चाहता नहीं कि मैं रुकने की लेकर था या नहीं. को प्यार से भर के बोल सजा, वो सारी रात टूटे से गानों को हल्के से गाना, वो सारी कसमों को किश्तों में दोहराना, वो जाली बातों को सोने की जरी जड़ाना. कैसे तुमको मना है, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना,
this chain situation.
The whole dominatrix, control, anti-control.
What? Really? Oh, you froze. You froze, yeah.
So
yeah,
मैं
back.
divide कर why you frozen on
Yeah, you were
oh for me you were frozen. I was like ये क्या हुआ?
Are we
अच्छा
back?
अच्छा हाँ for
Okay.
me I'm back and you're back. हाँ okay. So basically I'm going to divide it up and be like the good first, and then I'll tell you the things which were taking me away from it. Okay.
Okay.
So I love the whole jazz theme and the whole thing,
Yeah.
and the way those really, suddenly the cuts that they've used in the middle, like the way those what are they called? Like the draggy music things, the sweeps that
The
suddenly come in.
stretches,
Those were
yeah.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah, those were
The
so good.
riffs.
And yeah,
Not really
not even
riffs.
riffs so much, but like, yeah, the stretchy parts, which are very jazz influenced this thing, which sounded really good. So the whole, that laid back vibe and that whole groovy thing which is going on, so that's very good. Like, it sounded great. And I'm sure when I'm listening to it later, just as a song and not really like, not like looking at the video, I think I'm going to like it even more, for sure.
Yeah,
I can feel
yeah,
it.
yeah.
I loved the different themes that they're experimenting with, like trying to figure, like I said, the whole control, anti-control, the dominatrix, but going into, the whole, that kaise manaye, and the whole, that tadap in the awaz, that I don't have enough control in this, and now I really want to manao her, but ho nahi raha hai. But same time, the whole sexual innuendos, like what they have borrowed in the video, and the themes that they've used, the straight jacket theme, along with, like, things around like that white straight jacket which he's wearing, and all those, everything points to the whole giving up of control and just take control away from me. And already I don't have control over my thoughts and emotions because they're all yours, right? So all that was there. But मुझे ये बात नहीं समझ आई, उसने पहनी हुई है फट जैकेट बीच में, साइड में बिल्कुल लाइक ऑलमोस्ट नो क्लोथ्स विमेन आर डांसिंग. इसको ठंड लग रही है, उनको ठंड नहीं लग रही. मतलब चल के रहा था, like थोड़ा वो एक कॉमन सेम्बलेंस होता है ना. व्हेन आई सी दीस थिंग्स इट थ्रोज मी ऑफ. सो आई एम लाइक, ये क्या था?
It's
लाइक,
called just styling him.
तो वही है, लेकिन स्टाइलिंग का
Randomly.
थोड़ा वो कॉमन होना पड़ता है ना, बिकॉज लाइक इट थ्रू मी ऑफ. आई वाज लाइक गेटिंग ग्रूवी विद दिस एंड गोइंग विद इट. सडनली आई सॉ दैट एंड आई स्टार्टेड लाफिंग इन माय माइंड एंड आई वाज लाइक, नो नो, स्टे ऑन पॉइंट, स्टे फोकस्ड, डोंट लुक एट दैट. तो
Maybe
वो हो
he
रहा था.
feels cold.
मतलब with the theme with which they were following, he should not have been.
Yeah, that's
He
true.
doesn't have the control to. And then when that plastic sheet thing happened, I know it was meant to be, maybe, I don't know what it was meant to be, but it looked very suffocating. And it looked very like, कितना उनको इसमें shoot करना पड़ा होगा, बेचारे लोग, उनको सांस आ रही थी कि नहीं. So my first thought was that, and I know it was meant to be all like, hello there. लेकिन वो वाला vibe आया नहीं, sorry to say.
Hello there.
At least मेरे को तो नहीं
I
आया.
can't even say it. Like, how did you say it?
Hello there. Right, लेकिन वो हुआ नहीं. ठीक है, वो
Hello
vibe नहीं आई. वो ऐसे लग रहा था two people are struggling to take breath, कि कोई तो ये हटाओ ताकि हमें सांस आए. तो वो वाला, that again like threw me away from the video basically.
Okay.
And then I had to like go back in and I was like, अरे ठीक है, video तो चल रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, गाना सुनो गाना. I had to keep telling myself that.
Yeah.
The lyrics were very good. The
Can you
lines,
read them?
कुछ ऐसे words जो use किए थे ना, I was like,
ये
ये
बहुत ही
शब्द नहीं सुना
amazing.
गाने में.
Yeah.
है ना?
He's
That was really good.
turning out to be quite the writer,
Yeah. And also quite the singer.
Quite the
Not
singer.
just like,
I was thinking,
yeah.
I was like, this guy has
Yeah.
been a YouTuber, like streamer and things like that. I was like, side में singing
Correct.
lessons चल रहे थे उसके इतने साल,
Very good.
और वो
If
बहुत
that is
evident
the-
है.
हाँ, और अगर सच में वो इतना ही मेहनत करके क्लासेस ले रहा था, लेसन्स ले रहा था और कहता, he was sounding good. Like,
So good. The
especially in
range
those
he
certain high
showed.
parts which he took. Yes. So I think, and he wasn't going out of his boundary कि अरे मैं कुछ और ही try करता हूँ and failing at it. Rather, he stuck to, the basics. Within that, he showed his own graph, which again sounded really good.
Yeah.
So overall, if you really ask me from my end, matlab, I think I'm definitely going to listen to the song. In like, I want to listen to it properly, not in my high energy modes, but definitely like a smooth, free flowing kind of vibe में सुन के, तब इसका real effect पता लगेगा.
This is
अभी
a
तो
make-out
video से
session
मुझे आके-
song. That's
वही है. I didn't know how to say it politely, so I was not saying it. ये make out song है,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah, exactly. The instrumentation and all, I was just like, okay, sold. The piano, the synth,
Even a long drive
guitar.
song. Yeah.
Yeah, or just like cooking in the kitchen, chilling. I don't know, with
You're
wine.
going to...
Sorry.
What kind of cooking happens in your kitchen? Now I'm interested. What?
No, like a late evening, you've got this music in the background and you're chilling.
Again, what kind of cooking is happening in your kitchen?
You don't need to know. Okay, well, let's move on.
Yes, yes. So tell me, what all you thought about it? What all went through your head when you watched it?
I thought the video, because you haven't seen it, so I'll make that connection. It kind of felt like a continuation from his last video, because उसमें भी ये white folded hands wala jacket where his
Jacket
hands are
wala thing
bound.
tha.
So
Okay.
I feel there was a continuation with that kind of story coming in here. And
Hmm.
story matlab a little bit of the symbolism of the carrying this forward, connecting basically. And even that was directed by Man Bora's that same production team. So this whole thing felt more like, yes, the mood was very make out vibes, and I think that kind of reflected in the dancers vibes. That plastic sheet, so I exactly what I think you said. I was like, yeah, I don't know, is it supposed to look sexy and make outish, because थोड़ा मेरे को
Silk
suffocate
sheet use कर लेते यार. Silk sheet would have been
हो रहा
better.
है. Yeah, that plastic was, I don't know, very weird. So ठीक है, वो हुआ. His fur thing was also, because in these old R&B music videos, the men were in big fur jackets, and it was the
Yeah.
mood set, like, oh, come here, come to me. Sorry,
Come
but
hither. It's the come hither look.
sorry that. Yeah, so it could have been that, I was thinking. And also his voice was very inviting in that sense, like I couldn't think of anything except that this is a makeout song. And he's very like pining for her, and he's like, "Kaise manaye?
Yeah.
How do I?" And then his voice was so smooth and suave, and like it was touching, like about to touch the sexy line, but it was not. It was still like I was feeling like, because you've heard the sexy
Yes, yes.
that
Yeah, yeah.
वो आता है,
Yeah.
पर वो उधर वो गया
हाँ.
नहीं, पर वो बस
हाँ.
उसके around आसपास घूम रहे थे, with his voice.
Correct.
And it sounded more in the pining zone than come to me baby, that zone.
It was pining only, which is what I'm talking about, the whole dominatrix feel in this whole thing, no?
Yeah,
Where it's
yeah.
about surrender of control.
Yeah, I'm
So
just
it was
comparing it
pining.
with that old
The other
R&B
video,
vibe. Yeah, तो वो उस
Right,
zone में
right.
नहीं गया, लेकिन the fur
हाँ.
jacket made me think of that. So writing and his vocal range was the highlight for me, and also the instrumentation that was going on, the keys especially, the piano was so good. I think the piano was the main ingredient in this concoction, because बहुत ही vibes were vibing.
There was bass guitar and trumpet also, or no? Now I
I
can't
feel
remember
like
because
sax,
that stretchy.
थोड़ा
Sax
sax
था या
का
कुछ तो, हाँ.
vibe आई बीच में.
Yeah,
This whole dancer situation around, with all the their heads are covered. Like you said, it could be in those zones, but
it's a complete BDSM reference.
Is it?
It's a giving up of control. Yeah, giving up of control, dominatrix और क्या है? वही तो है.
Oh, okay. And this chain dragging thing at the end, is that also?
It's also that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, very interesting. Why
अब
do
इसके आगे और मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. किसी को figure out करना है तो खुद जाके.
I will also
There is
figure out
a
offline.
broad range of internet available there, but don't write very off things. Do not get dragged into the recesses of,
But I'm
just
thinking
be
that
careful.
why did they choose this visual theme for this kind of song? It could have been a very
Because it's
completely
about.
Yeah, I
That's what
know.
I'm talking about. For
It's
me, it is
about the
about
giving up of control.
and about pining. It's when you have zero control over yourself, over anything. All the control lies in your partner. So you have just surrendered and said, that's
Okay,
it. Like,
fine.
I'm willing to even do this. Kaise manaun? Kaise manaye? Like, to the point of that, I think we should go over the lyrics, and that'll make it, now if you look at it from this lens, it might make it clearer as to how the lyrics have also been designed.
Okay. कुछ झूठे से वादों से तुमको नहला दूं अभी के अभी, फिर चाबी दबा के उस ठंडे से फर्श पे मैं महकूं कहीं. ओ हो, हाँ, कैसे तुमको मनाए, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, हमें क्यों तड़पाती हो, क्यों अब ऐसे रहना, कैसे तुमको मनाए, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना, क्यों हमें तड़पाती हो. ओके, वर्स 1. उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे, चुपके से आना जाना. या दिस पलकों के पुल, आई वाज लाइक, ओहो,
पलकों के पुल के नीचे,
के पीछे. हाँ, या चुपके से आना जाना पैरों के पेच दबो के, उसका पता जो मेरे पलकों के पुल के पीछे, चुपके से आना जाना पैरों के पेच दबो के, रुक जाते तो रुक जाते तो के ठिकाना हम दो बस और बहाने, रुक जाते तो के ठिकाना हम दो बस और बहाने, हम दो बस और बहाने, हम दो बस और बहाने.
कुछ
ओके.
ooh nice.
या वो
हम दो
कल
बस और
और
बहाने.
बहाने, वो कल का आना जाना तो कल से नजर छुपाते. ओहो. आई नो मुझे कल का पता नहीं, मेरा होना कहाँ या फिर रुकना वहां भी है, हूँ चुप सा नहीं, कहना चाहता नहीं कि मैं रुकने की लेकर था आया नहीं, कि मैं रुकने की लेकर था
रखने
आया
के लिए
नहीं,
होगा.
रुकने के
Okay,
लिए
maybe.
हो, लिए नहीं है इधर, कि मैं रुकने के लिए था आया नहीं, लेकर आई थिंक रॉन्ग लिखा है. ओ बेलिया को प्यार से भर के बोल साजा, वो सारी रात टूटे से गानों को हल्के से गाना, वो सारी कस्मों को किश्तों में दोहराना, वो जाली बातों को सोने की जरी चढ़ाना.
वाओ. उफ, जाली बातों को सोने की जरी चढ़ाना, ये तो मतलब ये मेरे को उस
That's
टाइम भी हिट किया था. दिस इज जस्ट अनदर लेवल.
या सारी
ये बहुत
कस्मों
अच्छा.
को वो सारी कस्मों को किश्तों में दोहराना, वो जाली बातों को सोने की जरी चढ़ाना. ब्रो ब्रो. ओके,
दिस
कैसे
इज टू
तुमको
गुड.
मनाए, क्यों हो ऐसी जाना. गाइस.
ये गाने, ये लिरिक्स सुन के वीडियो का अंदाजा ही नहीं लगेगा.
या
विच इज वाई
which
कि
is why
सुनना
they went
पड़ेगा
in that.
अदरवाइज.
Yeah.
या या
Hmm.
I think the number one spot in this entire song, if you just take all the elements, is the other lyrics. I
Yeah,
mean, the level
I
of
agree.
poetry and the thought, the way it's been expressed. Oof, like, you know, उसकी एक अलग कहानी चल रही है. And this is, the lyrics are such that you put it into anything. I mean, it's poetry. It's genuine poetry.
I
So
would
it's not
not
कि just ऐसे ही.
associate Arpit Bala with writing like this. Man is multi-talented, faceted, like, yeah. You never know what some person is like capable of and who they like their inner artist is and inner personalities are chupod, you know. This is quite
Correct.
the revelation. Prime example of that कि आपको नहीं पता कौन कैसा है अंदर
So
से.
I might be fully wrong, but wasn't that song the first song that we reacted to? Arpit Bala का ही था ना वो, जब वो किसी शादी में थे and then they all go and he goes in to break a शादी. Wasn't that a Arpit Bala song? Oh,
Yeah.
that was someone
Yeah.
else.
Yeah, he was with someone
That was
else
him
on
only,
that.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he also like was there in it, like, and I remember not liking that song. Like it was
Maharani.
hilarious and it was funny.
Maharani. Yeah.
Huh. But it was him only, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So from that to this is a dramatic change, I must say,
Yeah.
because that
Yeah.
particular song, I remember watching it and saying, हाँ ठीक है, funny होने की कोशिश की है, but they faltered in many places and many whatevers कि क्या चल रहा था.
Yeah.
So today when you told me that we're going to be, you know, reacting to a Arpit Bala song, in my head I was like, अरे ये वैसे वाला होगा क्या वापस? So this was a dramatic
because
shift and a change.
yeah, but I have reacted to all his
You
other
have,
side.
हाँ.
Like Kya Tu Theek Hai
I
mein I
know.
cried. I teared up and I
Oh.
proper cried because how beautifully he wrote that song. And then I covered Ik Kudi, I covered Bargad, I covered Pyari Amanat, the last one. So he's been in
I'm
this
going to
zone
listen to
for
all
a
these
while.
then.
You must.
Done.
You really
Yes,
must,
because
because
clearly.
Maharani is like his other personality. This
Yes, this is like इसीलिए मुझे और थोड़ा शॉक लगा कि ये
Yeah.
सेम इंसान है कि नहीं है, like, you
Yeah.
know, yeah.
मुझे वो शौक लगा
This
था.
Arpit Bala I really like.
He's
है ना?
gorgeous. Yes,
This
what
one
an
is
artist.
amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Very nice. And the music, I feel like the lyrics were top notch. The music, the way it brought those
Yeah.
lyrics to life, and his singing. I mean, let's not forget his
Yeah.
singing abilities. Those sections, I was just like, what is going on?
I know, I saw your face. You were suddenly like,
Yeah.
it's all
ये
right.
voice कहाँ से आ रही है? Beautiful. So lovely, yaar, to see this in an artist. Chalo, on that
Yeah.
note, I will get Miss Bola to get to all his other songs. I'll send her the links and let us know what else we should get to. I know he dropped an album. Usko bhi cover karenge, but please have patience. It is holiday season. Chalo. On that note, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
कैसे तुमको मना है